Hello children, myself Meshram Sir, Kalpatru Vidya Mandir Sindevai. This is third standard subject English and today's lesson is the wooden bowl. In the previous video we had seen some part of this story and there we saw the Kurt. Kurt's family lived in a Germany country and Kurt was an old person. Kurt had a son and his name was Manfred. Manfred's wife name was Thekla and Manfred's and Thekla has a son called Wilhelm. Kurt was old person, so he was slow. He was slow and therefore Manfred and Thekla every day used to angry. Every day angry with the old man because the old man was slow and clumsy. Slow and clumsy. Slow and clumsy. Who was slow and clumsy? The old man was slow and clumsy. Slow and clumsy. Clumsy is lacking skillness. Yes, here is clumsy means lacking skill. Now he has not a skill. Means when we take a food, that time we take a properly. We take a food properly, but the old man was not able to take their food properly. So he is a clumsy. One day, the family of the Kurt were sitting on the table for food, and there the old man also was there, and Manfred and Thekla angry on the grandfather. Grandfather means Wilhelm's grandfather. Now he was slow and clumsy, so that they angry with the old man. Every day Kurt breaks a glass. Every day Kurt break a glass. Break glass. Sometimes Kurt dropped a spoon. Sometimes Kurt dropped spoon. And sometimes spilled soup. Spilled soup on his shirt and trouser. Means when they sits on the table for dinner or breakfast, that time sometimes Kurt break glass, sometimes Kurt drop a spoon, and sometimes spilled soup on his shirt and trouser. Therefore old Manfred and Thekla angry with the old man. Now why he did like this? Because the old Kurt is very slow, weak person, so that he break a glass, he drop a spoon, he spilled the soup on his shirt and trouser. Okay. Now one day they were taking a meal in the night time. They were taking a meal, and that time the old man dropped his plate. The old man Kurt dropped his plate. Drop plate. Now when the plate dropped on the floor, that time the plate broke. The plate broke, and there 100 of teeny pieces, means 100 of pieces spread over the floor, and all the food from the plate spread on the floor. Now Manfred and Thekla began to clean the floor, and they were so angry. The Manfred and Thekla were so angry because the Kurt dropped his plate, and all the food spread on the floor, so that the Manfred and Thekla were very angry and they cleaned the floor. Now after the accident, now when the accident happened, the plate dropped. After that, they bought a cheap wooden bowl. This is the a plate, and plate was broken, so that they realize every day Kurt break a glass, drop a spoon, spilled a soup, so that they bought a cheap wooden bowl from the market. They bought a cheap wooden bowl from the market, and there they give milk to the Kurt. Means in the wooden bowl, Manfred and Thekla give food for the Kurt. Means this is the wooden bowl, and wooden bowl, if the wooden bowl dropped on the floor, that time the wooden bowl never breaks, so that they bought a wooden bowl for the grandfather, means William's grandfather. Now, and every day Manfred and Thekla give food to the Kurt, and Kurt sits in the corner alone. In the corner, in the room's corner, there the Kurt sits in the corner. Kurt sits alone, and there Kurt eat their food. Okay, this is very bad. When the Kurt sit alone in the corner, this is not good, and so that the Kurt was very sad. Kurt became sad because he was a old person, and Manfred and Thekla every day give food the old person Kurt in the corner. Okay, so that he was very sad, and he never complained. The Kurt never complained, and every day he eat food without making a complaint, because he was old person. He was not able to earn the money, so that he quietly keep his he take his food. Okay, here we saw the old man was slow and clumsy. Every day old man breaks a glass, drop a spoon, and spilled a soup. One day the Kurt's family were taking their dinner, and that time the Kurt's drop his plate. And that time the plate broke, and all the food spread on the floor, and so that Kurt's father and Kurt's son Manfred and Thekla decided to bought a wooden bowl. They bought a wooden bowl from the market, and every day Manfred and Thekla give food in the wooden bowl, and from that day the Kurt sits in the corner and take his food. Okay, now remaining part of the wooden bowl we will see next video.